This is a simple guide on how to make use of Chidf, an extension of Roop. So we have the Chidf and the avatars folder. Inside the avatars folder, you'll be able to put in any picture you want. In other, if you want to use it as your avatar, that's how simple it is. So for example, we are going to copy this picture of Will Smith and put it into this avatar folder that we created. Just paste it here simply. Let's minimize this. So let's open the Chidf application. Okay, when it opens, then you will see the select faces. So you click on that. After you click on that, it's already set up, so you just see the image you want to make use of that you put into the avatars folder. You're going to see it there, so you just select it. So next you click on the live camera. So it's going to take some time. It's going to open a preview window. This is the preview window. So the preview window is supposed to show a picture of you face swapped already, but since I turned off my camera, this is what we'll be seeing. But in your case, you'll be seeing a picture, a video of yourself and face swapped to Will Smith in this case. So let's open split cam next in order for us to overlay to WhatsApp. This is the split cam application. In this case, there are other media layers open. We just have to delete them. We delete this media layer and the other media layer. Let's add our own media layer, which is the preview window media layer. You go to share display, then you share windows, then you select you see preview, you select preview, then you click on OK. It's going to come up on our split cam. So first thing we are going to do is to adjust it in order for the top of our window not to be showing. Anything that is shown here is what is going to appear on the application you want to make use of for the call. So we have adjusted it. So let's try and make use of WhatsApp, for example. Let me show you. So let's go to WhatsApp settings. You just click that three line, you click on the setting, you will see video and voices, video and voice. You click on that. So currently split cam is already selected for me. If that's not what's selected for you, you make sure that's what's selected. It's going to now show the swap face video running. So I want to show you for other applications like Telegram. So let's open the Telegram. You just need to search a Telegram application, and so same thing, you go to Telegram settings. You will see the speakers and camera. You select that. You're going to see input device. Then you select that and make sure that it's split cam video driver that is selected. This can be done for all applications. You need to go to the application setting, the video setting, and select split cam. And that's how simple it is. When you make calls, that's what is going to turn up. So that's it.